na. Grabe. It's so bright, baby. It's so bright, bright, bright.
Is it a view again? We're on the top of Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower in the world. Bio, happy birthday, Bio.
Ang lamig.
Magsalpi ka na, kanta natin.
Teka.
Happy birthday, Bio. Happy birthday, Bio. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bio. So guys, ito yung baby boy namin. He is standing on top of the world. One day, he will become a pilot. What do you see there?
Cars.
Yeah, there are cars.
There are cars.
Yung the address. Oh no. Just here. Ito yung tole. Ito yung tower niya. Just imagine fireworks dito, guys. Ito yun eh. Alin? East 2 ka na. Birthday kasi yung baby namin ngayon.
Okay. Baby, look here.
Ito yung ginaya sa Singapore. Ano ba tawag dyan?
Manila Bay Sands. Marina Bay Sands.
Pinakatap, guys. Yan. Oh, mami, tingin dito, mami. Kuya Joaquin. Kuya Joaquin. Here. Kuya Joaquin. Yeah, there's water at the top. It's a swimming pool. Saan na pala iniwanan mo na yan? Kasi nakalagay doon luggage. Let's go? Hindi pa.
Ano ba? Historical.
Yeah. So guys, here we are at the top. What do you see there? Pump? Is it the pump or what? It's not pump, you know there. No, it's the globe, guys. It's the globe. You see this? It is the globe. At malamig dito, guys. Ito yung aming birthday boy. Yeah, mommy. Yes, mommy. Say hi. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Hello guys, this is our birthday treat for Joaquin. Second birthday niya. Come on here, come on. It might fall. Say hi guys, say fans. Say hi guys. Look there, what's there? What's there? Say hi guys. Grabe, ang ganda sa Dubai. Guys, diyan kami nakatira. Sa Odmeta. Yan. This one itself. Yeah, here. That one. And now they're praying the noon prayer, of course. There's an eagle. Look, we will see there. Yun.
Okay.
See? Piwain. Ito guys yung ano. Telescope nila. Hindi ko mo makikita sa screen.
You want to see?
Instead na sumilip ka.
I will show you. Okay.
Then mismo makikita mo. May pang zoom guys. Oh.
That's a telescope. Just watch that.
May pang zoom.
Just watch that.
Ito yung aming munting piloto. Tumitingin na lang ano. Skyline. Yan ang Burj Khalifa na anino. Tingnan natin. Hindi pa na gumagalaw ang screen. Ano gumagalaw?
Baka ba hindi nakita niya?
Zoom.
May pool pala sa gitna.
Oh, Marina Bay.
Marina Bay Sands.
We're done? Parang sa Singapore, Marina Bay. Ito guys, 360 to. Asan? Yeah, this is the Burj Al Arab.
Mas kampante ako dito.
Ito yung globe. Itong nakikita niyo sa documentary. Yung globe. Where is it? Ay, ewan ko, baka Marina Bay din.
Wow, it's nice. Ito yung Sok Al-Bahar. Yan na nga.
Okay. Sok Al-Bahar Fountain.
Bakante pa yung
Mga man-made din guys na ano, na mga lagoon.